Hey guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing for Potomac Beads Treasure subscription for the month of August 2026. And it looks like it's really pretty. It's called Endless Sunset. And they also gave us a Czech leaf bead mix for August night, a free gift. So we've got some goodies in here. We'll open that as well. Now let's see what we have in here. Oh, those are pretty. So it says, welcome to Endless Sunset, an August treasure box inspired by the breathtaking radiance and fleeting beauty of late summer skies. Inside, you will find a beautifully curated collection of materials boasting rich golden hues, warm ambers, and soft twilight tones, perfect for your next creative escape. As the season begins to shift, we hope these elements inspire you to slow down, create, and capture the magic of a summer that never quite ends. So, let's see what these goodies are here. Ooh. Oh, look at those. Yes. Oh, I love these kind of connectors. Oh, such a bright. Oh, look at these. Ooh. Freshwater pearls and little tree of life ones. Okay, let me get everything set up. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm going to start with the free gift. Czech glass leaf bead mix for August. And we have some, are these two hole? No. Okay, hole goes through. Yeah, the hole goes through like this for these. These are so pretty. And we have a few of these little, where the holes right here. You can do like a little charm. We have some of, I think these are called storm duos. If I'm not mistaken. They're two hole, but they have that little S curve in them that is so much fun. And then there's a few fire polish beads. Really pretty little mix of beads in here. You know, these make really pretty charms. You just, if you want to like stick a little head pin in there, do a little curve, and you can stick it on the top part of your necklace or on a bracelet or something. So we have that. Move this over here. I have so much stuff on my desk. I don't know if you know, I'm in the middle of remodeling my bead room, so my desk is atrocious right now. So I don't have that much room to work. So, okay. The first one is Potomac Crystal Rivolies and Mystic Juicy Peach. And it's a package of 2. Look at those. Look how pretty those are. These are really pretty. Gorgeous. And next we have, I want to make sure I pick these up the right way. We have, let me pull these down a little bit. We have Potomac Pearl Roundel beads. Creamy 4x6 half strand. Look at how shiny those are. They have such a presence to them. When you use them to make jewelry, they're gorgeous. Okay, and then these are one of my favorite kinds of beads. The Czech glass cathedral beads. These are in topaz gold. So the hole, let's put a couple on here. The hole goes through here if you're not familiar. And then they have that little groove right there. Look how fun those are. Oh my gosh. I love those little ridges. They look like they're wearing a bead cap on them. That's what I love about these cathedral beads. They're so pretty, and this topaz gold is gorgeous. And next we have the cup buttons in apricot. So here's the back side, and there is the front side. You can use these if you do bracelets, or sometimes I use these as connectors for necklaces. And I'll put it in front, almost wear it almost like a toggle clasp or something like that. It just depends. So we have those. Those are so pretty. Then we have these gorgeous Potomac crystal bicone beads. They're 2 millimeter. There's a package of 60. These are really tiny. But they're so pretty. What a bright color orange. These are great for a little pop of color. Okay, and then next, I couldn't fit them. This is the whole bag. The Czech glass rice beads and orange swirl. I could not fit them all in this little thing. Let me put a few on here just to show you the pattern. I don't know if you could see that swirl in there. It's really pretty. And we have a ton of them. It doesn't say how many, but there's a lot. It'd be like maybe 140 or something like that. It looks like, just guessing. And then next, we have Athena cast silver charms and the tree of life. And they're connector beads, so you can use the front or you can use the top or the bottom. You can use these to make dangle earrings. There's a lot you can do with these. And the same on both sides. So gorgeous. And next, these are gorgeous. Freshwater Pearls Grand Baroque Kishi Pearl Drops. 6 millimeter white. Now, a couple of them fell off of the strand. But these are so pretty. It's like, I love the feel of them. They're so silky feeling. They're really pretty here. Okay. And let me see. Czech round beads. Okay. I think I have everything just kind of. Okay. So next are the Czech round beads. Oh, and I didn't do the rondelle strand. I will do that afterwards. I went to the second bit. So here's some of the round beads. So pretty. The Czech glass, they're yellow and I think crystal. It's cut off, but yeah, you can see that they're see-through inside. So there's a lot of different little swirls in them. And look at this, the Potomac rondelle strand. Holy moly. Look at this. Oh, I love this, the way that is put on there. Look at that. Look at that fade. And how it just goes into the next. I mean, you could literally just put this on. Just make a regular necklace strand with this like this. It would be so pretty. And look at how those match, but then you get that little bit of that in there. These are really pretty. And then you can even use these. You can flatten them out and use these for something. Little tassels. Gorgeous. Look at the shine on these. So pretty. Okay. And next is the petalite. Let me pick these up. These are the gemstones, 4 millimeter. Oh, they're just like so, they're kind of like fairy. They have that like fairy look to them. The colors, like the soft pinks and the grays and the whites. Like springtime, kind of like a fairy forest. I don't know if that makes sense to you, but you know, I read a lot of books and you know, you look at pictures and stuff and you Google things, they all have this color blend to them. So pretty. Absolutely gorgeous. So next is, let me see, freshwater pearls, Bali beads. So these Athena cast Bali beads, style 12, a package of 5. So these are cool. So if you could see, they're see-through. So they have like the the design, but you can see right through them. So pretty. I love these. I've got some ideas for this box. Okay. Now are the halo beads. These are so pretty. Okay. So let me do this. I love being able to use this like this and put a bead in there, put a couple seed beads or some crystal rondelles or whatever you want to put in there. These are so pretty. And there's 10 of them. So, and I don't know if you can see that etching. It's really cool. So we've got these. And Miyuki seed beads. I did not take these out of the package because vintage copper, I don't want these flying all over. But as usual, they have great Miyuki seed beads. These are so pretty. They'll go well with these things. And custard flower drops. Here's this. This is the laser cut acrylic sunflower teardrops, 2 pieces. So you just peel that back on both sides, and you peel that back, and you've got an adorable like earring or pendant. Look how cute those are. You can see that little sunflower on them. Gorgeous. And then the iris duo beads are last on the list. These have 2 holes in them. You can see the 2 holes on the side. They're in ancient gold. There's a package of 20. So they're really pretty. Even though they're ancient gold, you see a little bit of like this pinkish gold, a coppery gold. So pretty. So I am so excited to work with this box this month. I did a little thing to myself, and for the bargain bead box, I tried to make 5 tutorials. I might try that with this box. I'm going to be a busy girl in the month of August. I will see. I might do 3, might do 2. I'm not really sure. It depends. I was in a really creative mood after I did the bargain bead box unboxing, and just everything just kind of poured out of me. So I'm hoping that I'm going to spend my Sunday today after I get done filming this, working on that and doing some tutorials out of this. So I hope you enjoyed this month's box, Endless Sunset. And like I said, I have a coupon code S31D69N1NB for 15% off your first order with them. Now, you don't have to memorize that. I will leave it in the description below, as well as all the information linked to Potomac beads as well. And Allie and Nathan do such a great job with this box every month. It's been so much fun. I've been working with them for a couple years now. So I will see what kind of trouble I can get into with these beads. And I'll leave all my information as well below in the description. And don't forget to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Leave a comment and even swipe me. That really helps. Or hype me. Give me a hype, not a swipe. Well, a swipe for a hype. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.